In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shared inbox in Google Workspace. A shared inbox in Google Workspace is built using Google Groups, which lets multiple teammates read and respond to messages sent to one address. You'll do this from the admin console, so make sure you're signed in with an account that has administrator privileges. Start by opening the admin console. From the home page, look to the left-hand navigation and open Directory. This is where you manage your organization's users and groups. Next, choose Groups. Here, you'll see any existing groups and the option to create a new one dedicated to your shared inbox. Select Create Group. You'll land on a basic details screen. Enter a clear, descriptive group name that matches the purpose of the inbox, something your team will recognize at a glance. Then, set the group email. Pick an address that's short, memorable, and aligned with how the inbox will be used. Keep in mind that this becomes the address people will send mail to, so choose carefully. Add a brief description to explain the inbox's purpose and which teams use it. This helps with internal clarity later. Click next to move into permissions. Here, you'll edit the access type. Choose an access level that matches your organization's needs. For most shared inboxes, you'll want the group to be visible and usable within your organization, but not publicly discoverable. If this inbox will receive messages from customers or vendors outside your domain, make sure the settings allow external senders to email the group while still restricting who can join. Continue to access settings. This is where you fine-tune who can view conversations, post messages, and manage the inbox. For a functional shared inbox, ensure that members can view and post, and that managers can moderate if needed. If you plan to assign or track messages, choose the collaborative inbox group type or enable collaborative features where available. This unlocks capabilities like assigning conversations to teammates, marking topics as resolved, and adding tags. Very helpful for support or operations teams. Double-check moderation and posting rules to avoid accidental broadcast to the whole organization or unwanted replies from non-members. When everything looks right, click Create Group. The group will be created and the settings will propagate across Google services, which can take a short moment. After that, your shared inbox address is live and ready to receive mail, and your team can start collaborating from one place. That's it. Your shared inbox in Google Workspace is set up and ready to go.